Good afternoon, Miss Sarah. I'm doing maybe number 5 of starting a video for you. It's taking me a while. Anyway, I am going to be using a glitter text in a ping form that only has one frame to it. This isn't glittering at all anywhere. If it was, it would be a GIF, and it's not. It's just a ping file. And we're going to make it glitter though, and that's what I want to show you. The first thing we're going to do is to go over here in our materials palette, and we're going to click on pattern, and this pattern is the glitter texture, so we're going to click on that, and in yours it probably will come up as 100, which is where we're going to start. So make sure your scale is at 100 and click OK. And now that we're ready, I'm going to make sure you have a text in here. I've chosen the font Tangerine at size 72, bold, and the font color and the stroke color, the stroke color is over here. And I've set the stroke width at 3. And you know what? I don't want this stroke color. I don't want this in here just yet. I want this still as my color. I hope this isn't messing you up, because what I want to do is to type your name in here in just the color, and then we will right click and convert to a raster layer. And I'm going to move this over just a little bit so it's more in frame. Okay, now we're going to go to the materials palette. We're going to click on the pattern, and here is the glitter texture, which is this, and set it scale 100. Click OK, and we are ready now to start putting this glitter into your name. But what I need to do is to merge down the name and the cat together. I'm going to duplicate this twice so that we have 3 frames in all. I'm going to close off the bottom layer and the middle layer and leave the top layer open. Now I pick up my flood fill tool, and I am going to click on the S, and for some reason the ARA all goes in at once, but we're flood filling it with this glitter. We're going to close this off, go down to the next one, open that, go back up here to the pattern, and we're going to change this scale to 75. And we're going to click OK. Now we're going to flood fill your name again, and that takes care of the middle layer. We'll close that off. We'll go down to the bottom and open that one up. We'll go back up here to the pattern, and we will set the scale at 50. And that changes this every time, or this. I mean, this is the same thing. We're just changing the way that looks, but it's going to be pretty when it's done. And then we're going to flood fill these with 50. We're going to open up the rest of these, and we're going to save it to my desktop as a PSP animation shop. Make sure that you find that and click on it, because you need that to open it up in animation shop. So that's being saved. So now we're going to go to animation shop, and I am going to pull that Hugs PSP file I just made from my desktop with my mouse over here to the animation shop. Rather than use File and Open, I just have a tendency to pull things into PSP or Animation Shop. But anyway, this, I'll open it up a little bit and you can see that it's in 3 frames. And we will check on it, and there you are, nice and glittery. Isn't that pretty? So we'll quickly save this, and we'll save it as Sarah in Red, and we'll leave it as a GIF file. Save it to my desktop, click Save, Next, 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 and Finish. And I will click on that in my on my desktop, and you can see we have our little kitty with you just glittering away. Isn't that a neat way to do it? And it's so simple. I hope this has taught you a little bit that you didn't know. Bye.